In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change image on Wix Studio. If you want to update the look of your website quickly, replacing an image in Wix Studio is a simple but important skill. Whether you are refreshing a banner, updating a product photo, or swapping in a better visual for your page design, the process is very straightforward once you know where to click. To begin, open your Wix Studio workspace and go to the page or section where the image is located. On the canvas, click the specific image you want to replace. Make sure you select the correct image, especially if your page has several visuals placed close together. Once the image is selected, you'll see a floating toolbar appear with editing options related to that element. From that toolbar, click the Change Image button. This opens the Media Manager, which is where Wix Studio lets you manage and select the visuals used on your site. This is the main area you'll use whenever you want to switch an image without rebuilding the section or changing your layout manually. Next, choose the media source you want to use. If you want to upload your own image, click Upload Media and select a file from your computer. This is a good option if you already have branded images, original photography, or custom graphics prepared for your site. Before uploading, it helps to use a high-quality image that fits the style and dimensions of the section you are editing, so the final result looks clean and professional. If you'd rather use a stock photo, you can browse media available through Wix, Shutterstock, or Unsplash. This can be useful if you need a polished image quickly or you are still building out the visual style of your site. Take a moment to choose an image that matches the tone, color palette, and purpose of the page so everything feels consistent. Once you've found the image you want, select it and click Choose Image or Add to Page. Wix Studio will then replace the original image with the new one directly on the page. After that, you can review how it looks in the design and make sure it fits well within the layout. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.